Hi there, do you know what's the difference between blue-collar jobs and white-collar jobs? Pink-collar jobs or green-collar jobs? What are new-collar jobs? If you don't, keep on watching and you will find out it soon. White-collar jobs. What are white-collar jobs? A term of the white-collar jobs refers to all the jobs and occupations in offices, and it includes all managerial, administrative, clerical types of occupations. For the first time, this term was used in 1930, referring to the white shirts worn by people who worked in offices. These days, the occupation or job that belong to these types are engineers, software designers, accountants, insurance, or business executives. These people, they normally get paid once a week or a month, depending on the country. Blue-collar jobs. What are blue-collar jobs? The term of blue-collar jobs refers to the job that involve manual, hard work. The blue-collar employees usually work in fields such as construction, agriculture, manufacture, or shipping. For the first time, this term was used in 1924, referring to the dark color of uniforms that were expected to hide dirt on the clothes. Nowadays, occupations that belong to this type are builders, farmers, sailors, bus or truck drivers, or factory workers. And these people, they normally get paid once a week or once a month. The green-collar workers, what are they? The term of green-collar jobs refers to all the workers related to environment. They are those people who work in recycling, eco-friendly design, electric vehicle industry, or green energy industry. For the first time, this term was used in 1976, and these workers, they normally get paid again once a week or once a month. Pink-collar jobs. The term of pink-collar jobs refers to all the jobs and occupations historically held by women. When talking about pink-collar employees, we allude to occupations in service industry or positions that involve interaction with clients or customers. For the first time, this term was used in 1970. These days, pink-collar employments are nurses, florists, teachers, shop attendants, flight attendants, hairdressers, and all occupations related with customer service. And finally, new-collar jobs. What are new-collar jobs? Well, new-collar jobs is quite recent new term, and for the first time it was used in 2016. And it refers to the jobs that require more skills and abilities rather than formal education. And these creative employees work in healthcare, web development, field engineering, or project management. Now let's have a job quiz. Question number 1. If you work as a builder, you are A. Blue-collar worker, B. White-collar worker, C. Green-collar worker. And the answer is A. Blue-collar worker. If you work as a receptionist in a hotel, you are A. White-collar worker, B. Pink-collar worker, C. Green-collar worker. And the answer is B. Pink-collar worker, because you have to deal with clients. Question number 3. If you are a organic farmer, you are A. Blue-collar worker, B. White-collar worker, C. Green-collar worker. And the answer is C. Green-collar worker, because you work with environment. I hope you've enjoyed the video. For more videos, follow my channel.